Professor of Mathematics in IEHG Bhopal. Today we will learn about operation research, which is taught in third semester of MSc final class of mathematics. Today's topic is operation research and its scope. Let us see the description of our topic. The name of the paper is Operation Research. The prerequisite for the subject are functions, matrix, vectors, hyperplanes, hyperspheres, convex sets, extrema, and quadratic forms. The objectives of this lecture are, after completing this module, students will be able to learn the cause of origin of operation research, know the importance of operations research, learn the definitions of operation research, and will be able to know the scope of operation research. बच्चों, ये बात कही जाती है कि इस दुनिया में प्रत्येक घटना के पीछे कोई ना कोई अच्छाई जरूर छुपी होती है। ऐसी ही अच्छाई छुपी थी विश्व युद्ध द्वितीय के पीछे। It is said that there is something goodness hidden behind every event which happens in this world. Although the goodness is not visible at that time when event takes place. The same thing is with OR. Although the war happening cannot be justified for the mankind, but it is true that it is the byproduct of the World War II. यद्यपि युद्ध को अच्छाई के रूप में नहीं जस्टिफाई किया जा सकता, लेकिन ये वास्तविकता है कि ऑपरेशंस रिसर्च का जन्म द्वितीय विश्व युद्ध के दौरान हुआ था, अर्थात यह उसका बाय प्रोडक्ट था। द स्टोरी बिहाइंड द बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द OR is that during World War II, British military was facing the shortage of resources. Therefore, they planned to make a team of interdisciplinary scientists to give their opinion for maximum utilization of the limited resources so that they could win the war. अर्थात द्वितीय विश्व युद्ध में जो यूके मिलिट्री सीमित संसाधनों के अधिकतम उपयोग के लिए प्रयास कर रही थी, उसी उद्देश्य से उन्होंने इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी साइंटिस्ट्स की एक टीम का गठन किया जो ये सुझाव दे कि सीमित संसाधनों का अधिकतम उपयोग कैसे किया जा सकता है। This strategy of Britishers became very fruitful, not only for them in winning the war, but whole of the world, because it gave the world birth to new approach to manage the resources and to take proper decision about the utilization of them. इस टीम ने जो सुझाव दिए उसके कारण यूके को अर्थात ब्रिटेन को जहां जीत हासिल हुई, युद्ध में जीत हासिल हुई, वहीं दुनिया ने एक अमूल्य उपहार पाया एक ऑपरेशन रिसर्च के रूप में। आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ द वॉर, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट attracted toward this subject to get the solution of their complex managerial problems of their resources. युद्ध के बाद इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट उद्योगपतियों ने जब इस थीम का प्रभाव देखा कि सीमित संसाधनों से किस प्रकार उन्होंने युद्ध को जिता दिया मैनेजमेंट के द्वारा, यही समस्या उनके यहाँ भी कॉम्प्लेक्स सिचुएशन थी कि किस तरह से मैनेजमेंट किया जाए जिससे कि वे अपने उद्योगों को अधिकतम लाभ प्राप्त कर सकें। They gave the importance to those persons who know this subject, and the several universities started the studies of this subject. इस प्रकार जब उद्योगपतियों ने इस विषय में अपनी रुचि जाहिर की तो कई विश्वविद्यालयों में इस विषय के प्रति आकर्षण बढ़ा और वहां पर नियमित रूप से इस विषय का अध्ययन प्रारंभ किया गया। इस तरह से यह विषय लगातार अपनी लोकप्रियता को हासिल करता गया। Since this subject is not a single subject but a group of subject work simultaneously, therefore it became the part of many disciplines like mathematics, engineering, commerce, administration, etc. All these subjects are the part of the operation research. These are some pictures of World War II. You can see these pictures. Now let us discuss the founders of the OR. The term OR, that is Operation Research, was first coined by J.F. McCloskey and F.N. Trefethen in UK in 1940. Philip McCord Morse was an American physicist, administrator, and pioneer of operation research in World War II. He is considered to be the father of operation research in US. This is the picture of Morse. The first establishment of OR, the first research organization founded in 1952 in the United States, has been ORSSA, the Operation Research Society of America. This is the logo of this organization. The first organization of operation research in our country was founded in 1949 in Regional Research Laboratory, Hyderabad. This is the logo of the CSIR IICT together. Let us discuss the term used for OR in the literature. The British and Europeans calls it operational research, while the American calls operations research. These are the two words, differentiate the operational research and operations research. Operational research is used in European countries, while operations research is used in America. The short form of both is OR, so no problem, this is OR. The management science, another word used for OR is management science, that is MS. American sometimes combine these terms OR and MS and calls ORMS. Also, we see industrial engineering IE and decision science as the synonyms for this subject. Let us see the definitions of the OR by various experts and societies. First definition of OR is given by the Society of Great Britain Operational Research, is that the attack of modern science on complex problems arising in the direction of management of large systems of man, machines, materials and money in industry, business, government and defense. Another definition is given by Randy Robinson. According to them, operation research is the application of scientific methods to improve the effectiveness of operations, decisions and third definition is due to the Morse and Kimball. OR is a scientific method of providing executive departments with a quantitative basis for decisions regarding the operations under their control. Fourth definition is by Sethi. He considers OR as a tool of improving quality of answers. He says OR is the art of giving bad answers to problems which otherwise have worse answers. Miller and Starr states OR is applied decision theory which uses any scientific, mathematical or logical means to attempt to cope with the problems that confront the executive when he tries to achieve a thoroughgoing rationality in dealing with his decision problem. Pocock stresses that OR is an applied science. He states OR is scientific methodology which, by assessing the overall implication of various alternative courses of action in a management system, provides an improved basis of management decisions. According to C. Kettle, OR is an aid for the executive in making his decisions by providing him with the needed quantitative information based on the scientific method of analysis. Let us have a look on operation research tool. In operation research, we use the tools which gives help to analyze the problem. They are linear programming, waiting line theory or queuing theory, inventory control models, replacement problems, network analysis, sequencing, dynamic programming, assignment problem, decision theory, integer programming, transportation problems, simulation, goal programming, Markov analysis, and game theory. And also there are several other tools which are used in the OR. Now let us have a look on the steps to a good OR analysis. We can analyze the problem analysis in 7 steps. First step is identifying the problem or opportunity. Second step is understand the system. Third step is formulate a mathematical model. At 4 number, verify the problem. And fifth step, select the best alternative. Sixth, present the results of the analysis. And finally, implement and evaluate. These are the steps. Let us discuss separately. Number 1, identify the problem or opportunity. Let us have a look on this picture. This is the person who is identifying the problem. How this picture is dismissed. So he is trying to simulate this problem. Second step, understanding the system. The problem, after getting the problem, how it is the problem, what data should be collected, how will data will be collected, how do different component of the system interact with each other. So this is the second step of the problem. In the third step, we formulate this problem in mathematical model. So what kind of models should be used? This is the step. Is the model accurate? Is the model too complex? So these are the points to be considered. Third step. In fourth step, we verify the problem. Do outputs match current observation for current inputs? Are outputs reasonable? Could be the model be erroneous? This is the verification. We can verify that after the solution how problem will be solved. So this is the verification. In fifth step, select the best alternatives. In the solution of the problem, we get several solutions, but we filter these solutions and get the best solution. Like this, there are several solutions and best solution is this one. This is the present the result of the analysis. how result is presented in the analysis? We compare the output of the model do fit within the output from the system itself. Are the outputs of the model reasonable? The model may be wrong. So we compare and verify that whether this present result is good or not. And finally, we select the alternative, and in 7 steps we implement and evaluate. User must be trained to new system must be observed over time to ensure it work properly. इस तरह से ये 7 जो प्रक्रम हैं, उन प्रक्रम को पूरा करने के बाद हम ऑपरेशंस रिसर्च में किसी प्रॉब्लम का समाधान खोजने Now let us the scope of OR. In our daily life, we make the decisions even without noticing them. The decisions are taken simply by common sense, judgment, and expertise without using any mathematical or any other model in simple situation. But when the situation becomes complex, then it is not possible to take right decision, because the decision taken for public concern is not the matter of a single person. It affects thousands of people. For example, the decision for public transportation now let us discuss the scopes. This is the first scope. This is the purchasing. In supermarkets, data from store loyalty card schemes is analyzed by OR groups to advise on merchandising policies and profitability improvement. Our methods are used to decide when and where new store development should be made. इस तरह से हम आज के युग में जो हमारे सुपर मार्केट्स हैं, उन मार्केट्स में OR ग्रुप्स होते हैं, OR ग्रुप्स के द्वारा आंकड़ों का विश्लेषण करते हैं कि कौन सी वस्तु कितनी मात्रा में बिकती है और कहां पर ज़्यादा बिकती है, उसके अनुसार ही सुपरमार्केट्स में चीज़ों को मंगवाया जाता है और किस में कितना प्रॉफिट मिलता है, किस तरह से ग्राहक को अलर्ट किया जाता है, ये सब कुछ OR ग्रुप्स के द्वारा एनालिसिस करने के बाद में अपना सजेशन दिया जाता है और इस प्रकार से इसका स्कोप सुपरमार्केट्स में होता है. This is the another scope in hospitals. Hospital managers use OR to make decisions such as determining the optimal utilization of operating rooms and personnel, assessing the risk posed by patients with various medical conditions, and deciding necessary level of perishable medicine in stock. कौन सी दवाइयों का रखने से हम जो मरीज हैं उनको सुरक्षित रख सकते हैं और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेडिकल कंडीशन से उनको बचा सकते हैं. इसके लिए हम OR एनालिसिस करते हैं, आंकड़ों का पिछले आंकड़ों के आधार पर विश्लेषण करके अस्पतालों को सुझाव देते हैं. फाइनेंशियल मार्केट, फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज में भी OR का उपयोग किया जाता है. OR practitioners address issues such as portfolio and risk management, planning and analysis of customer service. They are widely employed in credit risk management, a vital area of lenders needing to ensure that they find the optimum balance of risk and revenue. किसको कितना कर्ज दिया जाना है कम से कम रिस्क पर, इसका एनालिसिस ओआर प्रैक्टिशनर्स या ओआर के जो जानकार हैं विशेषज्ञों के द्वारा फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज सहायता ली जाती है। भारतीय रिजर्व बैंक ये भी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूट का बड़ा भाग है। गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज में हम किस प्रकार से ओआर का स्कोप देखते हैं, इस पिक्चर में हमको दिख रहा है। ओआर इज की कंट्रीब्यूटर इन मॉडर्नाइजिंग गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज and making them more efficient. Some or applications include modeling the impact of performance related paying for teachers, evaluating government call centers, projecting the size of prison population and national defense. इस प्रकार से गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज में का उपयोग किया जाता है। अकाउंटिंग assigning audit teams effectively, credit policy analysis, cash flow planning, developing standard cost, establishing cost for by product। इस तरह से अकाउंटिंग में OR these are the construction sites in which we use OR. Without OR we can't complete these project because there is a huge need of monitoring and control to complete these project. How financial market? Budgeting, cash management models, allocating capital among various alternatives, building financial planning models, investment analysis। इस तरह से फाइनेंस में OR का उपयोग होता है। This is the picture of manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry totally depend on this subject because inventory control, marketing balance projection, production scheduling, production these are all the part of the OR. Now let us see the marketing. How marketing depend on the OR. Advertising, budget allocation, production introduction, timing, selection of product mix, deciding most effective packaging. So by OR we can project the marketing, how market will ahead in the future. Let us see the personal planning. This is the cue for job, recruitment, employees, skill balancing use the OR data to do their job. This is the purchasing. Every customer show his interest and their interests are analyzed by OR experts to optimize the marketing. Now facilities planning. These are the facilities planning, trends, factories, location, size, estimation number of facilities required, hospital planning, international logistics system, design, transportation, loading, unloading, warehouse decisions. In all these activities, OR becomes very fruitful. We also use the data analysis in research and development projects. Without data analysis, no research could be. Now, let us take the summary of the OR. Operation research, relatively a new discipline which originated in World War II and became very popular throughout the world. India is one of the few first countries in the world who started the use of operation research. Operation research is used successfully not only in military army operations but also in business, government and industry. Nowadays, operation research is almost used in all the fields. Proposing a definition to the operation research is difficult one because its boundary and content are not fixed. The tools for operation research is provided from subjects, for example, economics, engineering, mathematics, statistics, psychology, etc., which helps to choose possible alternative course of action. The operation research tool techniques include linear programming, non-linear programming, dynamic programming, integer programming, Markov process, queuing theory, etc. Operation research has a number of applications. Similarly, it has a number of limitations which is basically related to the time, money and the problems involved in the model building. Day by day, operation research gaining acceptance because it improves decision making effectiveness of managers. Also, all the area of business use the operation research for decision making. For further reading, we suggest S.D. Sharma, Himanshu Sharma, Operation Research, Theory, Methods and Applications, Kedarnath, publication 1972. Another further readings suggestions. We see these are the further readings. Now, let us assess yourself. OR came into existence during, आपको बताना है कि OR का अस्तित्व कब हुआ, कब अस्तित्व में आया, यानी कब जन्म हुआ OR का. These are the 4 options. During the World War First, India and China War, World War Second, none of these. Think and guess. These are certainly not option. So this is the correct option. During the World War. Let us see the second question. The first country to use operation research method to solve problem is, which is the country? India, China, UK and USA. Think and guess the correct answer. India is not the first country. China is also not. USA is not. And correct answer is UK. To use the OR first. Third question. The first operation research organization founded ... in USA. You have to choose one of the correct answer. 1965, 1970, 1952 and 1972. This is not, this is wrong, this is also wrong, and correct answer is 19. Fourth question. The person who coined the name of operation research? Newman, not. So correct answer is J.F. McCloskey and F.N. Trefethen.